The spacecraft stood tall on the launch pad as the astronauts boarded, excited yet calm. Inside, their AI co-pilot activated, guiding the team as they prepared for liftoff. As they soared through the darkness of space, the AI took control of navigation. With flawless precision, it mapped out the safest path through the stars, avoiding asteroid belts and cosmic storms. Suddenly, the AI detected something, a new planet orbiting a distant star. Its vibrant atmosphere and swirling clouds hinted at possibilities never seen before. The astronauts landed on the mysterious planet, exploring its alien terrain. The AI scanned the environment, analyzing the air, water, and strange plant life. Their mission complete, the crew headed home, their minds filled with wonder. Thanks to AI, they had uncovered new worlds and brought humanity closer to the stars.